Hello FutureNet friends and family and members. This special offer for you. Would you like to exchange your time and skill for money, for real money and cryptocurrency like a Bitcoin? Then this course is for you. This course has special offer for only FutureNet members. Take advantage of this offer. Get enrolled in this course and get in touch with me. We will find the easy way how to enroll and get paid by doing simple tasks like a like, comment, share, follow people's, write and read, etc. So to find out more detail about this course, join us, put your name and email. There is a many way to pay for this course. Plus, you get money back guarantee for 30 days. And also, we will refund you in special way this money. To find out more about this special offer, as I said, get enrolled, get in touch with us, and we will send you the guide and step by step how to qualify and how to claim your money back. So take advantage of this special offer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you inside.